Listen here, my friend, it's so simple. When you are okay, all you have to say is Ndiribho. 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 Ndikatinde ipi kanjani kana chichiri kuna kidza unoti hapana ndikati uripo here unoti korisei Ndiribho. Okay, imagine this. You arrive in the beautiful land of Zimbabwe. The weather is great and you meet your grandma, your uncle and the whole clan. So how do you greet them? Let's go! Makadini ambuya, Makadini sekuru, Makadini, Makadini. Okay, let's move on. Another day, some more greeting to do. It's the morning, you gotta say good morning. Repeat after me, Mamuka say, Mara say, Mangwanani. Good morning, how was your sleep? How about Masikati? What's that? Masikati, that's afternoon. Masikati, akanaka. Good evening. Manheru, akanaka. How was your day? Maswera say. That's a lot. It's been a long day and it's time to sleep. So sleep tight, everyone. Morara mushe.